Hi, in this video I'm looking at the Barcode Manager application, and in particular I'm looking at the stock count mode, which is used for carrying out stock takes and inventory counts. There's a particular option here which I'd like to demonstrate. If I navigate to the settings menu, there is an option at the top of the screen called Allow Dynamic Location. I'll enable that option, and we can see just above it we have a location of bar. If I select that option, I can enter a new location, for example, store. And another. And another. These are the locations which will be available to me while I'm doing my stock count, but I can add new ones as well if I want to. So with that option enabled, I'll scroll down to the bottom, save my changes, and we can see at the stock count screen we now have an option for location. First, I'll select this and select the bar location. What this is going to do is it's going to append that location to the end of each item that I scan, and it's going to sort the different items based on their location. This means that I can scan the same item in 3 different locations, perhaps multiple times in each location, and the application will only combine those items if they are in the same location. So I'll scan my first item and enter a quantity. I'll scan another item and enter a quantity. At any point I can change the location. Scan my first item again. And we can see that we have a separate line entry for that item. With the append mode, I can scan that item once more, enter an additional value, and we can see that we now have 94 for this particular item in this location. I can remove that item from the list by double tapping it and selecting yes, and the original item is unaffected. If I now scan that same item once more, I can enter a quantity for it. We have a separate line item, scan once more, and change location again. So you can see here that we have 3 different entries for the same product. Each is in a different location. If I encounter a location that is not yet in my list of locations, I can select this button and simply type it in. So this is a really flexible way of counting the same product in multiple different locations all at once without having to scan all of a single location before moving on to the next. It's quite a handy little option if you have a small venue, but you want to get very granular with the items that you're counting and the locations you're counting them in. If we take a look at the grid, we can scroll across and take a look at the different locations that we've recorded so far. I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, please drop me a line in the comments. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.